last class we discussed about the problems of formation of partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions. Here in this video we are continuing the problems formation of PDE by eliminating the arbitrary functions. Form the PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions. The function is z equal to y into f of x plus x into g of y. Here there are two functions f and g. So the PDE obtained will be of the order 2. Okay. So here z equal to y into f of x plus x into g of y. We want to eliminate the functions f and g. There's an easy way, which means if there are two arbitrary functions, then the PDE obtained will be of the order 2. Okay, so we want to differentiate the equations twice, because twice differentiation gives the second order PDE. So if there are two arbitrary functions, therefore the PDE will be of order 2. So we want to differentiate twice the expressions. Okay, first of all we are going to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So we get dou z by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of y into f of x plus dou by dou x of x into g of y. So keeping y as a constant, we get dou z by dou x is equal to y into dou by dou x of f of x plus g of y, it's a constant term, into dou by dou x of x. That is dou z by dou x is equal to y into f dash of x plus g of y into 1. What is dou z by dou x? That is p. So p equal to y f dash of x plus g of y. Equation number 2. Here also it contains the arbitrary functions. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 with respect to y, we get dou z by dou y equal to f of x, keeping as a constant, dou by dou y of y plus x into dou by dou y of g of y. That is equal to f of x into 1 plus x into g dash of y. Dou z by dou y is q. So q equal to f of x plus x g dash of y. Equation number 3. It also contains the functions f and g. So again we want to differentiate the equations. Okay. So differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x, we get, this is the equation number 2. Differentiating again with respect to x, we get dou by dou x of p equal to dou by dou x of y f dash x plus g of y. That is dou p by dou x is equal to y is a constant, dou by dou x of f dash of x plus g of y into dou by dou x of 1. Okay. So dou p by dou x is equal to y f double dash of x plus 0. What is dou p by dou x? That is dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. So dou square z by dou x square, which is equal to r. So here r equal to y into f double dash of x. Equation number 4. Similarly, differentiating equation 2 with respect to y, equation number 2 is this one. With respect to y, we get dou p by dou y equal to f dash of x into dou by dou y of y plus dou by dou y of g of y. That is dou p by dou y equal to f dash of x plus g dash of y. Dou p by dou y means yes, that is equal to f dash of x plus g dash of y. Equation number 5. Again, differentiating equation number 3 with respect to y, we get, this is the equation number 3. Differentiating with respect to y, dou q by dou y equal to dou by dou y of f of x plus x into g dash of y. That is equal to f of x into dou by dou y of 1 plus x into dou by dou y of g dash of y. So dou q by dou y equal to x into g double dash of y. Dou q by dou y is t. So t equal to x g double dash of y. Equation number 6. So here we find all the second order partial derivatives r, s, t. Already we have p and q. So solving these 6 equations, that is first one is our given equation, second equation is p, then q equal to, then r equal to, s equal to, t equal to. From these 6 equations, we get the partial differential equation. Okay, multiply equation 2 by x and equation 3 by y. So equation 2 is this one. So p equal to y f dash of x plus g of y is multiplied by x. That is implies xp equal to xy f dash of x plus x g of y. Similarly, equation 3 into y gives yq equal to y f of x plus xy g dash of y. Adding these two equations, we get xp plus yq equal to xy f dash of x plus xg of y plus y f of x plus xy g dash of y. Here xy is a common term, so xy into f dash of x plus g dash of y plus xg of y plus y f of x. From those 6 equations, we get xp plus yq equal to xy into s plus z. Here there is no arbitrary functions f and g, so this is the required PDE without arbitrary functions f and g. So the PDE is xp plus yq equal to xy into s plus z, which is of the order 2. Okay, next problem, it is a different one. Form the PDE from the relation f of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. Here it is different from the previous problem. It is given that f of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. So let x plus y plus z equal to u and x square plus y square plus z square equal to v, which means the given expression will be f of u comma v equal to 0. So this means f depends on u and v, u and v depends on x and y, z, and z depends on x and y. So here is a chain of functions. So be careful while differentiating the functions with respect to x and y. So this is the equation number 1, f of u v equal to 0, where u equal to x plus y plus z, v equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So by chain rule, differentiating equation number 1 partially with respect to x, chain of functions. So dou f by dou u, again u with respect to x, so dou u by dou x, plus again dou f by dou u into u depends on z, so dou u by dou z, again z depends on x, so dou z by dou x, plus again f depends on v, so dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x, plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou z into dou z by dou x equal to 0. Okay. So here replace dou z by dou x by p. Then we get the equation as like this. Again dou f by dou u as a common term, we get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into p plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou z into p equal to 0. Then dou f by dou u into, what is dou u by dou x? U equal to x plus y plus z. So dou u by dou x is equal to 1. Dou u by dou y equal to 1. Similarly, v equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So dou v by dou x is equal to 2x. Dou v by dou y equal to 2x. So here we get dou f by dou u into 1 plus 1 into p plus dou f by dou v into 2x plus 2z into p equal to 0. So separating this, dou f by dou u into 1 plus p equal to minus dou f by dou v into 2x plus 2zp. Again by chain rule, differentiating our f of u v equal to 0 partially with respect to y, we get by chain rule dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou u depends on z, so dou u by dou z into dou z by dou y, plus similarly dou f by dou v into dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y equal to 0. Here replace dou z by dou y as q and club the terms, we get dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z into q plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into q equal to 0. Then substitute dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y and dou u by dou z, dou v by dou z in this equation. We get dou f by dou u into 1 plus 1 into q plus dou f by dou v into 2y plus 2zq equal to 0. Separating this one, we get equation number 3. Now, this is equation number 2. Equation number 3. Next, we are going to divide these two equations. So, on both sides, dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v were cancelled. So, you get 1 plus p divided by 1 plus q equal to minus also cancel each other 2x plus 2zp divided by 2y plus 2zq. Then 2 is a common term, so it is also be cancelled. So 1 plus p by 1 plus q equal to x plus zp by y plus zq. On cross multiplication we get the equation, and distribution we get y plus qz plus py plus pqz equal to x plus xq plus pz plus pqz. Common terms are cancelled. Then we get the equation as x minus y plus pz minus qz plus qx minus py equal to 0. That is x minus y plus z into p minus q plus qx minus py equal to 0, which is the required partial differential equation. This is a different type of problem. That is, here it is given a relation f of u v equal to 0 and u and v depends on x y z, again z depends on x y. So these type of equations are simplified in this manner.